In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Whatnot login error. So if you're not being able to log into the Whatnot application, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to log into your account. Sometimes the problem can also be the incorrect credentials, so make sure the credentials that you provided are correct. If still your problem is not being solved, there might be some problem with the application itself. So in that case, what you have to do is update the app, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Whatnot. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Whatnot and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now after you do that, you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're facing the error, what you have to do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Whatnot and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, what you have to do is find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now after you clear the cache of this app, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, your problem will surely be solved. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart the device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. All the temporary software glitches will be fixed and you should be able to log into your account now. So that is how you fix Whatnot login error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.